Hey guys, for today's video, I have my February Boxycharm unboxing. So I actually decided that I'm only going to do my Boxycharm videos if I'm excited about the box, because I don't know if you guys have noticed I haven't really been doing them, and it's because I just haven't been excited about the boxes. Like, I love Boxycharm, but I haven't been loving the majority of the box. I've had Boxycharm for I think over a year now, and I do like the majority of the stuff, but I find myself with some of the boxes just kind of taking product out and putting it aside, and I get initially excited to use it, and then I kind of look at it and I'm like, you just don't excite me and I don't want to use you. Like, I still have things from past boxes that I have in my to use area that I haven't used. So I don't want to do like a boring Boxycharm. It kind of takes away like the excitement of it. So I'm only going to be doing unboxings of boxes that I'm super excited about, and we have a video today because I'm super excited. So let's start. For the life of me, I don't remember what we got in January's box. I truly have no idea. I cannot remember. I can't really remember January if I'm being honest. But anyways, the first thing we have is a mascara. This is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I know this is like a cult favorite, if you will, but I've never used this, I don't think, or at least I don't remember using it. I'm like a very big advocate of drugstore mascaras. I don't really think you should have to spend a lot of money on expensive mascara, and I still feel that way, but I've got to tell you guys, this mascara is the bomb diggity. I used it today for the first time. Typically, I feel like for me, at least with mascaras, I don't love them in the beginning. I like them when they're kind of broken in and they're dried out a little bit more. This is really, really good. So I understand why people like it. It does like lift and plump and curl. It reminds me so much of, I'm sure you guys have heard this comparison, the Lash Paradise from L'Oreal. The brushes look super similar. This is Too Faced, and then this one is L'Oreal. They're almost identical, but the formula of the Too Faced is a little more thickening. I didn't really like the Lash Paradise mascara until it dried out a little bit more. This one I liked it from the beginning. If you're on the market for a high-end mascara, I'd say check it out. It worked like really well off the bat immediately. That retails for $24. The box is only $21, so you pretty much already got your money back. Next we had this highlighter. This is Pretty Vulgar Shimmering Swan highlighter. This retails for $32. I do have this on today. Hopefully you can see it. It's very pretty. It's like more of like a pinkish tone, and you guys already know I don't like pink. I literally say that in every single video. I feel like I always have to like just say that I hate the color pink. But if you saw my drugstore video, the Morphe Spark highlighter, this reminds me so much of that. Oh, motherfucker, I just dug my goddamn nail into it. They're super, super similar. I'm gonna go ahead and show you, like, they're literally identical. It's crazy how similar they are. This is Pretty Vulgar, and then this is Morphe. This highlighter is more of like a pinky tone, but it's a very pretty pinky tone. I never thought I would say that because I don't really like pink tone highlighters. I always end up using them as blush toppers. This is more of like a wearable pink where it's a very subtle shift of pink. It's very pretty. Very surprisingly, I do like it. I'm gonna end up throwing this in my kit because I already have the Morphe one, and they are honestly so similar that I just don't need to have both of them on hand. So I'll keep the Morphe one for myself, and I'll put this in my kit for my clients. I've never used Pretty Vulgar until they started putting them in Boxycharms. I think I've liked every single Pretty Vulgar product that I've gotten. I think with the exception of one eyeshadow palette. I love the powder. I'm busy. I love the translucent powder. It is my new holy grail go-to powder. I'm obsessed with it. We got a gel liner. That gel liner is so dark and black and matte. It's so good. I know it's more of a high-end brand, like it's in Sephora, but I'm glad that they keep including it in the box because I've been liking it. Next we have the Touch and Soul. This is the No Poreblem primer. If that's not a tongue twister, I don't know what is. This retails for $18. It's this right here. I have used this before in the past, and I do like it. I think it's good at hiding your pores, but it doesn't keep me matte. I'll probably end up throwing this in my kit because I just don't need any more primers, but it is really nice. I do like it, so it comes out in like a consistency like that. If you're oily, I don't know how much you would like it because I did get very shiny when I used it. However, my pores were hidden. It's kind of like a win-lose situation. You kind of have to pick your battles with that, but pretty good, more affordable primer compared to high-end ones. I don't find that I find a lot of good affordable primers. That's something that I haven't really found a lot of at the drugstore, at least. I just find that they're not there. So I think that's a great one if you need something to really fill in your pores. I think you guys would like that. Just keep in mind it's not going to keep you matte. So next we have this from Farmacy. This is called the Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser. I have not used this, so I don't know anything about it. This is only a 3.4 ounce, so it is a smaller one. I'll go ahead and test this out. I haven't tested it out yet because I have several cleansers that I have opened. I don't really need to use that yet. They gave us a Farmacy, the melt off, like the Clinique take off the day balm, I think. They gave us one from Farmacy in the past and I love that. I actually like it more than the Clinique one. I'm not even going to repurchase the Clinique one because the Farmacy one is so good and it doesn't temporarily blind you like the Clinique one does. If you guys have used that, you know what I'm talking about. Cleansers are kind of like one of those things where I'm like, do they really make a difference? I don't know. Unless it's an exfoliator, I don't know if it's really going to do anything for me. But yeah, I'll go ahead and try it. It's cool to have another cleanser to test out. And then that retails for $22. The last thing we have is the Trestique Prime and Glaze Lip Crayon, which is this guy right here. This is the only thing I don't have on today. I'll go ahead and insert a clip of what it looks like on, but it's cute packaging. It's just the color's not for me. I actually switched out my lip and I wanted to try this on over this like more mauve tone because I wanted to see how this would look over a like purplish berry liquid lip. I was interested in that. Yeah, see, it kind of turned it into more of like a fuchsia. I mean, I think it's cute. It's just not really my tone. I'm not like a pinky purple lip product wearer, but the packaging's really nice. Let me show you guys this. It's magnetic. Fancy, huh? And then it has a little primer down here. It does look really pretty on its own. It's very like balmy and youthful. I tried this over the weekend and I just had like my base makeup on and mascara. And I think with that type of look, it looked really pretty, but I don't know, with my eye look that I had on, I just didn't really like it. I guess it's just not a color I'm really used to, but I thought it looked actually pretty on its own. I don't know how much use I'll be getting out of this because again, it's just not one of my tones. Like, it's not something that I typically reach for, but you know, maybe it's something I'll throw in my purse and just wear it on like a super natural makeup day. And then that retails for $25. I wouldn't spend $25 on that. I don't even think I spent $25 on a tank of gas to fill up my car. Yeah, sorry, that's too much. Even if it does have this little primer thing on the end, I'm never gonna use this. If I'm just being perfectly honest, like I will never use that primer. Lip primers for me are just like kind of gimmicky. I feel like you're spending more money on the packaging because the packaging is super fancy than you are on the product. Yeah. Anyways, I just wanted to share with you guys what I got in my box because I actually do pretty much like the box with the exception of this. It's just okay. It's like something that I would have to remind myself to use, but everything else is pretty good. I liked everything else. I was excited about the primer. I was like, what? We're getting this and then the mascara. I was like, damn, super cool. So yeah, just wanted to share with you guys what I got in my box. Super short video probably, but hey, I'll have a short video for once in my life. I will have a link below if you want to sign up with Boxycharm. It's not an affiliate link. It's just my referral link, so I get like points towards my account to redeem. You don't have to use it if you don't want to, but if you do use it, just know that I get like, I think they're called charms, so I can like apply them towards something if I want to buy something in their like charm room. I think that's what it's called. Not an affiliate link. I just want to make that clear because, you know, just want to keep things honest. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what else you want to see. Subscribe before you go and hit the notification bell, and I'll see you in my next one.